water with the avocado toast. She like Ferraris, but I'm always on my boat. She way too serious, but I'm always trying to joke. Remember the days that I was broke, working at Shakey's, now I'm on fly crippin'. Everywhere I go, the people listen. Ballin' in Detroit like I'm playing for the Pistons. Never with the bullshit like I'm ballin' like Scottie Pippen. Had to formulate my revenue and seek a better vision. Ayy, vegan spaghetti with the French bread and oregano. No, y'all don't hear me, guess a nigga gon' need a megaphone. Ain't at the shops, I'm up in NorCal with the private grown. Carrot oil cannabis, creating strands and getting dough.
Dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, how you done right? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine. Shorty got dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, how you done right? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine.
Ay, creative crippin', I paint a picture with paint is blue. Crazy my mental, I'm thinking I need a better mood. Don't do the Sheraton telly, I need a better view. SLS in Vegas with a model, baby, get a clue. Or get a few, need a woman to like me, fuck my image. Cause if I wasn't ever rapping, if I was never crippin', if my hair was never twisted, would you fuck with it? Or be shallow like these models on my Insta image coasting. Fucking Lil Shawty, now drink this potion. Pull up in that Rari with roses, that be my token. I'm low-key, but it's controlled, I'm tryna elevate. Strawberry smoothies by the beach, I tell her I'm on a date. Ayy, that Airbnb booked, and the dinner at the crib cooked. Nigga, get your bitch took. Still can get your ass whooped.
Dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, how you done right? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine. Shorty got dollar signs in her eyes. You wanna live a fabulous life. If I didn't have the racks, how you done right? Shorty, I got your back if you got mine. Yeah.
Time of the essence, I wake in the morning. Ay, I beat it up in the morning. Ay, we roll the blunt and we already on it. Ay, they call me Yellow, you know that I'm boss. Fashion week LA, I grabbed her up off the dribble. Two bitches in the bed, I'm Malcolm in the middle. I'm sipping off this drink, she offered me a Skittle. I don't normally fuck with drugs, I guess I'll try a little. That shit had me sweating bullets, nah, I'm sweating missiles. Shawty grabbing me thinking it's swipe, I said no, that's my pistol. Before you niggas bang the turf, you got to be official. But let's get back to talking these hoes, they all act superficial. I like them natural, real ass, not artificial. And when we fucking keep it a secret, sex is confidential. Yellow Hill the hottest out, let's increase the tempo. Heart rate peaking while I'm sneaking up in her mama's rental. You ain't gotta be a hoe to fuck me and my friends. I got Toyotas back to back, we out here dreaming about that Benz. You ain't gotta press my buttons, I'ma hit you when I get in. Got a couple back road, let's just smoke weed in the wind.